Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you are in the pink of health. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Putrina Aisyah Syahira binti Muhammad Anwar. I'm 11 years old. I'm studying in Sekolah Kebangsaan Seri Cempaka. I'm in Standard 5. My hobby is reading. My ambition is to be a teacher when I grow up. For your information, I love reading very much. Today, I am here to review a book. The title of the book is The Hare and the Tortoise, edited by Bob Williams. This book has 16 pages and was published by Kohwai and Young. The Hare and the Tortoise is a very famous and classic fable. I love to read this new version of this story because this book contains very colorful 3D pictures and simple readable text. By reading this book, I also learn new English words and listen in values such as self-confidence and hard work. I would like to recommend this book to my fellow friends because this book has a very interesting story. 9. Could a tortoise will beat a hare in a race? Well, that is what happens in this story. A tortoise was ridiculed by a hare for being slow. So, the tortoise challenged the hare to a race. When the race starts, the hare leaves the tortoise behind. In confidence of winning, the hare takes a nap halfway. Upon awakening, here finds that tortoise has arrived first by crawling slowly but steadily. That shows how hard work often wins in the end. The moral lesson of the story is that you can win by doing things slowly and steadily rather by acting quickly but carelessly. Finally, I hope you all like this book. Thank you.